Wagwan everybody, today we're in Cave, Westmoreland. We're here for a cookout. It's on a little river, the place is serene, it's absolutely beautiful. But the beauty is in the food. They're going to have curry goat, they're going to have stew pork, they're going to have Mannish Wata and a couple other festive things.
Really hard goat.
After Hurricane Melissa, this place was dry. This place was brown. Now, it flourishes. Cold, crystal clear water. And beside it, that smell. The smell of sweet, sweet Jamaica. Freshly seasoned meats with natural seasonings. And the smell of pimento wood burning.
And funk on the app, what you say I go on now?
Right.
What I deal with?
Right, on the app of some really hard goat.
Really hard goat.
Really hard goat.
Yeah man.
Yeah,
Small
man.
ears.
Really hard Mannish Wata.
Really hard Mannish Wata. And a girlish thing.
Yeah. No. Real goat well seasoned already. I set it on here now.
Yeah man.
Rub it up.
Let's see that. And there. Let me tell you how this is normal. The man them a cook on pimento wood. Yeah man. It's a banana, that's a breadfruit. So you're going to get thick and nice, and that banana just going give it that extra boost.
Oh, yo. This is not a castle.
Stew pork. Stew pork.
Yeah.
No, you have to go hunt that, my man. I want to see how the day on the floor every night.
And love the man.
You know,
Me and Jack. But the G, I'm not aware of it.
All I go and still have a sample, you know, Matthew. Just a little sample and tell you how it go.
cook that. Go on man. Quick and fast. Bombati have flavor already. It have the flavor. Mannish Wata that. That a Mannish Wata. What am I? Oh yes, a slam. So I want some more things, watch her. Roll up on the steam pan that.
Yo, fun, pass a knife there.
No, fun.
And then bossy too.
Bossy now which too.
Bomba, tender.
Yeah man, that look like it ready.
Tender.
That look like it ready. Wow. Better. Woo.
Some singing this and some singing that. No matter what they do, try to reach a top. I know it might not be easy.
Tender, gummy, flavorful.
Just don't stop.
Wow. That's a normal.
Stew pork is more than just a meal. It's flavor, it's tradition, it's part of our rich culinary heritage, seasoned with all the rich, natural ingredients that you would expect. Scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, onions and garlic, and then slow cooked. But what really does it is the pimento wood. The flavor of pimento bursts into the pot, igniting those flavors within the seasoning and within the pork until it's tender, succulent, chewy, gummy, and just all round good.
That's it.
Let's get one thing clear. Not all curries are equal, but a curry goat can define a man. With too much liquid, then you're boiling, not stewing. And for good, legendary Jamaican curry, you need that perfect balance and thick consistency of gravy to smother over the rice, or if you're having it with food.
Alright, sit down the back.
There is no exact date of record for the first pot of curry goat. It was likely prepared shortly after the arrival of the first Indian indentured laborers in 1845, making the dish roughly 180 years old, making it extremely important to Jamaica's culinary identity. Have the right amount of seasoning, add the right amount of curry, just enough pepper, keep the consistency thick, cook it over a wood fire, and you just might become legendary. This is serious business, so the chef have to taste the pot, have to check to make sure everything is right.
Oh, that's still.
For curry goat, it has to be white rice. Gungo peas, slightly accepted, but white rice, the must.
Come on, man, hold this summer. So what? I say, yeah, man, it's hot, it's hot.
3rd-degree burns, just a part of testing the pot.
It's a reach.
The burn is like a Jamaican birthright.
Like fire.
It's bold with flavor, right with seasoning, exceptional texture, and just the right amount of pepper. Authentically, unmistakably Jamaican. Mannish Wata. What makes it so loved by Jamaicans? Undoubtedly, the depth of flavor. The head, the feet, the tripe, slow simmering with green banana, carrots, yam, and of course, spinners.
Man. That look good, brother. That take all active. Right now, the soup is ridiculously good. The banana, the tripe, the rag, the taste of it, the ramen taste is in there, but it's not overpowering, it's not raw. It's very just really subtle and really, really good, really seasoned well. It is hot. It is at least 90-something degrees. And I tell you, when you get a soup like this, your nose sweat, your hair sweat, your chest sweat, everything sweat. Nothing is nicer than a nice ram goat soup like this. You get the tripe, you get the ram, you get all of that flavor that you're looking for. Hot, 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 hot. Find a cool shade, 90 degrees in the shade. You get a perfect hint of scotch bonnet pepper as well. You can tell that scotch bonnet is in there, but it's just flavor. It really is just flavor. And you also have the rag. Check that out. That's the rag right there. Right.
Rasta.